Question number 4 is first query. Hardik Bhatt, ask your question, beta. Hardik Bhatt, any query? No. Listen. Question number 4 is draw a rough figure of quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram. Draw a rough figure of quadrilateral that is not a parallelogram but has exactly two opposite angles of equal measure. We know that in parallelogram, opposite angles are equal and opposite sides are equal. But we have to draw a quadrilateral where opposite angle are equal, but this quadrilateral is not a parallelogram. So now students, here, this is a quadrilateral like a kite. Draw a kite like this. Kite, this point is A, B, C, and D. This is a kite. And the opposite side angle, this angle is equal to angle B. Angle D is equal to angle B. D is equal to angle B. Where but quadrilateral ABCD is not a parallelogram. Listen, student, again, in a quadrilateral, this is a kite. In a kite, adjacent sides are equal. Adjacent side, this side is equal to this side is equal to this. And one opposite angle are equal, but the opposite angle A and C not equal. This quadrilateral is a kite. It is not a parallelogram because these adjacent sides are equal, and only one pair of opposite angle are equal. Only one pair of opposite angle are equal. This is the rough figure we have to draw. Okay, students. Now, next question number 5. Question number 5. Listen. In question 5, the measure of two adjacent angles of parallelogram are in ratio 3:2. Listen, students. If two adjacent angles of parallelogram, this is a parallelogram. Write name first. This is a A, B, and C and D. According to question के अनुसार, the measure of two adjacent angle of a parallelogram are in ratio 3:2. 3:2. Find the measure of each angle of parallelogram. Listen, students. According to question, angle B ratio angle C is equal to given 3:2. 3:2. This is the ratio. Okay. So let angle B is equal to 3x and angle C is equal to 2x. We know that in parallelogram, the sum of the adjacent angle is 180 degree. We know that in parallelogram, sum of adjacent angle, the adjacent angle are supplementary. Adjacent angle is 180 degree. So 3x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Because these two angles are adjacent angle. Now students, 3x and 2x both are like term. So 5x is equal to 180 degree. Implies that x is equal to 180 by 5. 5 3 ja 15 and 5 6 ja here 36. The value of x is 36. So angle B is equal to angle D is equal to opposite angles is equal to B कितना था 3x 3 into 36 that is equal to अब 3 into 36 equal to 108 degree. B angle is also 108 degree and D is also 108 degree. And angle C is equal to angle A. This is also opposite angle. Opposite angles. So that is equal to 2x. Here 2 into 36 equal to 72 degree. These two angle measurement. The angle A is equal to also 72. Angle C is equal to also 72. These four angles we find. Now students, again in the question, the two adjacent angle, the ratio of two adjacent angle is 3:2. So 3, so angle B is equal to 3x, here 2, so angle C is equal to 2x. If we add 3x plus 2x, these are adjacent angle. The sum of two adjacent angle in a parallelogram will be supplementary. So 3x plus 2x equal to 180. This is a linear equation. We have to find the value of x. Here x is equal to 36. Okay, we obtained angle 6, angle x equal to 36. So we find B 3 into 36 and C 2 into 36. One query, Master Dhruv Rajput. Ask your question, beta. Master Dhruv Rajput.
सर आपने जैसे बोला कि पैरेललोग्राम के जो एडजेसेंट एंगल होते हैं उनका सम 180 होता है, मतलब
जी
जो बी है और डी है उसका दोनों का सम 180 है.
Listen. Any adjacent, जैसे A plus B 180, B plus C 180, C plus D 180, D plus A 180. Any adjacent angle, sum of the any adjacent angle. In here are four angle.
Yes,
we
sir.
take two adjacent angle. Two adjacent यानी आप A B ले लें या B C ले लें या C D ले लें चाहे D A ले लें, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, सब में applicable. Okay. Now, next question number 6. Listen, students. Question number 6. In question, listen. Two adjacent angle of parallelogram have equal measure. Two adjacent angles of a parallelogram have equal measure. Find the measure of each of the angle of the parallelogram. Equal measure. Now, first we draw a rough sketch of a parallelogram. Here, this is a A, this is B, this is C, this is D. So, two adjacent angle are equal measure. This is X and this is X. Angle A is equal to X. Angle B is equal to X. We know that sum of adjacent angle of parallelogram is 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. X plus X is equal to 180. 2x equal to 180 implies that x equal to 90 degree. Each angle, if these two angles, angle A is equal to angle C, opposite angle, and angle B is equal to angle D. ये भी क्या है? Opposite angles. और ये सभी कितने के हैं? 90 डिग्री के. तो this parallelogram is not a parallelogram. This parallelogram is a rectangle because each angle measurement is 90 degree. If A is 90, B is 90, C is 90, D 90, this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Is that clear? Now, next one, question number 7. Question number 7. Listen students, be careful. Question 7 लिखा है the adjacent figure HOPE is a parallelogram. Find the angle measure x, y and z. State the property you use to find them. आपको वो प्रॉपर्टी भी लिखनी है जिसका आपने यूज किया इसे फाइंड करने में. Listen students, here this is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. This is a parallelogram. And here they hope 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 and join this diagonal and get here. This is the 70 degree and the measurement, this angle is Z and this angle is Y and angle X. This angle is X and angle 40. This measurement is 40 degree. Listen students, in this question here first alternate interior angles are equal. Angle y is equal to 40 degree. ये जो लाइन हमारी दो लाइनें हैं, these two lines are parallel and one transversal line intersect, then alternate interior angle will be same. So here alternate interior angle, we find the angle y is equal to 40 degree. Okay, now students, again here these two angles are angle PEO is equal to angle POH is equal to x. This is x, this is x, this is a x. ये कौन सी प्रॉपर्टी हो गई? अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम. These two are opposite angles by linear pair. Linear pair, the sum of two angles which form a linear pair, the sum is supplementary. So linear pair, angle x plus 70 is equal to 180 degree, x is equal to 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110. We get 110. So this is 110 x की value. We find x equal to 110 and z. Listen students, z. How to form the angle z? Here, these three are angle sum property. In a triangle POH, इस छोटे ट्रायंगल में एंगल y प्लस एंगल x प्लस एंगल z is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property of triangle. By angle sum property of triangle. So students, putting the value y, x, so y is equal to 40, x is equal to 110 and z is equal to 180. So here 150 plus angle z is equal to 180, angle z is equal to 180 minus 150, that is equal to 30 degree. So students, here the value of x x is equal to y is equal to z is equal to x is equal to 110, y is equal to 40 and z is equal to 30 degree. These are three angles which is represented by algebraic expression x, y and z. Okay, any query? किसी स्टूडेंट्स के पास कोई भी समस्या हो फिर मैं हिंदी में समझा दे रहा हूं अच्छे से। लिसन, देखें y और ये 40 ये अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल है, ये y है ये 40 तो y भी हमारा 40 डिग्री हो गया, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर है, ठीक है। फिर इसके बाद दिस इज x, ये हमारा x है तो ये सामने वाला भी क्या होगा x होगा, अपोजिट एंगल ऑफ पैरेललोग्राम। और ये x और 70 दोनों का सम कितना होगा 180, ये लीनियर पेयर है। 180 से हमने x की वैल्यू फाइंड किया और x की वैल्यू और y की वैल्यू को एंगल्स ऑफ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल POH में हमने पुट किया एंड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ z दैट इज 30 डिग्री। So all three measurement of x, y, z 110, 40 and 30. Is that clear? Now students, there are 38 participants are connected. Next question, question number 8. Here question number 8. Listen students, in question 8 लिखा है the following figures guns G-U-N-S guns and runs R-U-N-S are parallelogram. Find x and y length are in centimeter. Listen students, first पहले हम यहाँ पे ड्रॉ करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वाड्रिलेटरल is a guns. Here this is a guns. This is a quadrilateral, name G U N S, and this side is 26 and this side is the 3x, this side is 18 and this side is 3y minus 1, 3y minus 1. Listen students, in the figure this quadrilateral is a parallelogram. यानी लिखेंगे if quadrilateral GUNS is parallelogram, so opposite sides of parallelogram will be equal. So here SN is equal to GU. SN equal to GU. SN is equal to 26 and GU is equal to 3y minus 1. 27 is equal to 3y. Y is equal to 9. Say 9. The value of y is 9. We find the value of y is 9. Now students, here again next one. So students, here y is equal to 9 and again GS is equal to UN, opposite side of parallelogram. This is a 3x is equal to 18, so x equal to 18 by 3, that is equal to 6. So x equal to 6 and y is equal to 9 is your required answer. This is the first figure. Okay students, one query. Master Kesav Rastogi, A3. Kesav Rastogi ask your question beta. Yes, Kesav Rastogi.
साइड में सबसे नीचे
मैं एक हूँ।
parallelogram.
So students, the next figure is here. This is a quadrilateral. हाँ, yes बेटा, ये ध्रुव राजपूत
सर यस सर, आपने बोला था कि सर अपोजिट साइड जो होती है पैरेललोग्राम की वो भी इक्वल होती है सर।
हाँ,
अगर
yes,
इसमें
yes
तो
बेटा, opposite side of parallelogram will be equal. So this 26 is equal to 3y minus 1 and 3x is equal to 18. These two are opposite side. So here y is equal to 9 and x equal to 6. Is that clear?
ओके सर।
Okay. Now next one is a parallelogram runs RUNS. This is RUNS. Runs. The diagonals are like this. Here, first is the here. This point is O and 20 or y plus 7. 20 and y plus 7 and next 16 x plus y. X plus y. Listen students, we know that in parallelogram diagonals here diagonals bisect each other. In the parallelogram here diagonals are bisect each other. So now listen, if RUNS is parallelogram, RUNS is a parallelogram, diagonals bisect each other. So SO is equal to OU and RO is equal to ON. Okay? So here this RO is equal to L. So SO 20 is equal to Y plus 7. 20 minus 7 equal to Y and 13 is equal to Y. Again here RO is equal to 16 and X plus Y. Substituting the value of Y in this equation, 16 is equal to X plus 13. So 16 minus 13 is equal to X. So X equal to 3 is your required answer. Okay students? एक क्वेरी है मास्टर तेजस चौधरी आस्क क्वेश्चन बेटा।
सर आपने वो क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 के लास्ट में y इक्वल्स टू 91 लिखा हुआ है
91 सर बेटा, यहाँ पर ये मैंने मिटाया था ना, तो ये सही से मिटाया है सर 9 मैंने x y वैल्यू लिखी है यहाँ पे। ओके और कोई प्रॉब्लम?
नोप सर,
प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
नोप सर।
चलिए तो अभी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन को मैं थोड़ा सा आपके सामने रखता हूं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9। इन क्वेश्चन 9 again क्वेश्चन 9 here in the above figure, और फिगर बनाया गया है। this is a figure and this is and one more thing, this and here R ICLU. Sorry, this figure is wrong. Draw correct figure like this. This is the L, and here U, and one more S. This is a E and K. Listen, students, and this angle is 120 degree, and this angle is X, and this angle is 70 degree. Listen, students, we have to find in the above figure the both risk, 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 and clue, CLUE, are parallelogram. We are there two parallelogram, and this is a risk and this is clue, two parallelogram. Find the value of X. We have to find the value of X. We know that angle K plus angle, this angle is let 1 and this angle is let 2. हमें जो है x को फाइंड करना है तो हम इस एंगल को कंसीडर कर लेंगे. ओके, तो यहां पर लिखेंगे k प्लस एंगल 1 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री एडजेसेंट एंगल्स. एडजेसेंट एंगल का सम 180 होता है. So K is equal to 120 plus angle 1 is equal to 180. Angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 120. That is a 60 degree.
सर वीडियो ऑफ हो गई आपकी.
60 degree. Yes. और here this. And again, in a next parallelogram, here angle second is equal to angle L. ये कौन सा एंगल है? This angle is opposite angle. Opposite angle of parallelogram. Opposite angle of parallelogram. Angle second, ये एंगल हमारा जो सेकेंड है इज इक्वल टू 70 डिग्री. ठीक है, लिसन. और स्टूडेंट्स, सो बाई एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ट्रायंगल, क्योंकि हमें x फाइंड करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड वैल्यू ऑफ x. सो एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस angle x is equal to 180 degree. Value of 1 is 60 degree, and angle 2, this angle 2 is 70 degree, plus angle x is equal to 180, and 130 plus angle x equal to 180. Angle x equal to 180 minus 130. And this is a 50 degree. 50 degree is your required answer. Yes, Master Tejas Chaudhary. Any query, beta? Any query?
No, sir.
तो
सर
yes, बेटा.
सर हम एडजेसेंट सर दो को भी तो ले सकते थे.
बिल्कुल ले सकते थे
सर के और एस को भी तो ले सकते थे हम.
नहीं, यस बिल्कुल बेटा. हियर दिस इज द ये 1 एंड k आर एडजेसेंट इन द पैरेललोग्राम. पैरेललोग्राम रिस्क, इन पैरेललोग्राम रिस्क k and 1 are adjacent angles, and in parallelogram clue 70 and second is a opposite angle. We have to find these two angles for obtaining the angle x. So substituting the value of 1 and 2 and get the value of x, that is equal to 50 degree. So students, time is over. Thank you for watching. धन्यवाद स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग बड़े अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हैं और मन लगा करके पढ़ाई करें. ओके.